This isn't a store, it's a pause in time, a quiet doorway where the present gently bows to the past. Every corridor whispers stories of heritage carried forward, of hands that believed in craft before speed existed. Walls don't just stand here, they remember vintage furniture, time worn artifacts, objects that have lived many lives before finding their way here. Nothing rushed, nothing loud, everything intentional. Light filters in softly, as if it knows it must be respectful. Even silence feels curated, heavy, sacred. This space doesn't chase trends, it preserves emotions. History isn't archived, it breathes. Welcome to a world where heritage lives and time slows down just enough for you to feel it.